Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a 50%. WXK-46 and WMG-732. WXK-46 broadcasts from Sharps Ridge in Knoxville, while WMG-732 broadcasts from Cross Mountain, near La Follette. During potentially dangerous weather situations, this broadcast will send a signal to activate weather radios in the threatened area. These radios may be activated for other non-weather emergencies as well, such as hazardous chemical spills and Amber alerts. The weather radio alerting system is tested weekly, with the tests normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is an ongoing weather event, the test may be postponed to the next available good weather day. The reception of this broadcast can be degraded for one or more of the following reasons. Your radio is located 30 or more miles from the broadcast antenna, or the signal is partially blocked by hills or buildings. If your radio is not reacting to this test, or the voice on the radio is not clear, you can try relocating the radio to another room. You need to ensure your weather radio gets a good signal so it will activate during threatening weather events. The weather radio broadcast from WXK-46 services the following Tennessee counties: Anderson, Blunt, Campbell, Claiborne, Cobb, Granger, Chamberlain, Jefferson, Knox, Loudoun, Monroe, Morgan, Roane, Scott, Sevier, and Union. The WMG-732 weather radio broadcast services the following Tennessee counties: Anderson, Campbell, Claiborne, Morgan, Scott, and Union. And now your 7-day forecast for 4 degrees in Bristol. This is the National Weather Service Office at Greenville, Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WWG-82's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WWG-82, broadcasting near Robbinsville on a frequency of 162.525 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties: in North Carolina: Cherokee, Clay, Graham, Jackson, Macon, and Swain. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards to an Alert test. These are the 11 a.m. has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings or civil emergencies affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of Clay, Cumberland, DeKalb, Venturas, Jackson, Overton, Pickett, Putnam, Smith, Van Buren, and White. This includes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming.